Hi, my name is Ram, and in this short video I'll share with you my side project I was working on last month. I'm Board Games Geek, I love playing them and I love tracking them, and this web application is created exactly for this purpose: organize and track your board games collection, as well as log play sessions. So let me show you. This project now is in early alpha, but it's usable. I use it every time I play board game, and so can you. For that, go to boardgamestracker.com and you'll end up on empty homepage, but don't be scared, that's not the whole thing. Click on sign up link and sign up with your email, name and password. After that, let's go to the games page. So right now it's empty, so let's add new game. Click on add game button and then type part of game title in this search field. So let's type quarter. When you stop typing, it will search for games on Board Games Geek and return options to choose from. Choose appropriate game from the list and game data will be fetched for you. All you'll have to do is to rate this game if you want to. I give this game 4 stars, and then check options for play sessions tracking. I try to make this app as flexible and simple as possible, so if you don't want to keep scores or track time, just leave these options empty and press save. New game is added to your collection. Let's click on it and go to the game details page. On this page you can see basic stats of how many times you played, how many of them you won, and how much time you spent on this game. So let's say I played this game yesterday with my wife. I press Add New Game Session button to add new play. Here I have form. On the left you see the list of players who played with me. I was added to this list automatically. But if I try to add another one, well, there are no players, so I need to create one. For that, press plus button, enter player's name, and players created and added to game session automatically. If I made a mistake, I can remove player from the list by clicking on this close icon. But let's add it back. Next, I choose date, 13th of January. And then I need to choose location where I played it. It can be your home, online, some board games club, etc. So let's create new location called home and select it. Hit save and voila, you get your first play session recorded. But what if you want to keep scores or winners and losers? Let's edit game details. Check I want to keep scores for this game checkbox and then choose one of the 4 options. If you don't want to fiddle with scores and just want to choose who won, choose third option. Save the game and let's edit play session, and we see that now we have stars that we can click to choose a winner. So let's make Kate a winner and save it. If you want to log scores, you need to choose another option. Let's go to Edit Game, and there are 2 of them, highest or lowest. In Quadropolis, player with highest score wins, so we choose first option and press save. Now, if we edit our play session, we see that we can specify score. So let's say I got 43 and Kate got 41. You see that Ram was marked as winner automatically because that's the highest score of all. Let's save it, and you can see that now we have score info and one counter was updated as well. Another type of games out there are cooperative. And let's add Pandemic, for example, to our collection. We search for it, we give it 5 stars rating and choose co-op option. Now when we go to game page and create new session, you see that there is no score, and I can't just pick a winner. Instead, I choose if game or players won. Last option is to track time. Right now it's very simplistic. You just manually input minutes you played, but I've got plans to improve it. So let's edit Pandemic and check I want to track time for this game option. Save it, and now when we create new session, you see that we got new field under location field. So let's fill this form up. We played with Kate and it was at home and we spent 50 minutes on it. Save it and you see that now time is also updated. Nice. Another feature is filtering and sorting, and let me log into my account to show you that. Here is my Modest game collection, and by default it is sorted by name. On the top you see these sorting options. You can sort games by name, by last play date, by length, or by number of plays. Say you want to know what game you played the least. Sort it by number of plays, and you see that I haven't played Scythe at all. If I want to get the most played games first, I just change the order to descending, and Viticulture is in the lead. If you got a lot of games and you just want to find one specific, use search bar. Just start typing, let's say Settlers, and you see how game list is narrowed down as you type. Another powerful feature is filters. If you click on this filter icon, you see all filters available right now. For example, I want to play 3 players game that will take less than an hour. Easy, I check 3 players option and 30 to 60 minutes. You can clear all filters by clicking on this gray filter icon. And the last thing I want to show you is a play session page. Click on Plays menu item and you got all sessions you logged in current month. You can see that from January the 1st I played 12 times. What about December? So let's include it there. For that I can use session filters. Click on first link here and choose starting date. Let's choose 1st of December 2016 and you see that all stats are updated. I played 32 sessions, 38 hours playing board games, not too shabby. Also, you can filter session by location, so let's see how many games I played online with Tabletop Simulator, and only 4. I need to up my game here a little bit. And to clear filter, click on this eraser icon. And that's an overview of Board Games Tracker web application. I've got a lot of ideas of how to extend and make it better, and I will do it gradually each week. I welcome you to sign up and give it a spin. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to have in it, what you think should be fixed or changed. All feedback is welcomed and much appreciated. Thank you very much for your time and happy gaming.